Tiger. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. Elephant. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. Lion. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera named. Goat. The goat is a member of the animal family Bovidae and the tribe Caprini. Bull. Bull is an intact adult male of the species Bos taurus. Gorilla. Gorillas are herbivorous. Horse. The horse is a domesticated. Dog. Dogs were the first species to be domesticated. Bear. Bears are carnivorous mammals of the family Ursidae. Panda. The G panda is a bear species endemic to China. Wolf. The wolf, also known as the grey wolf or grey wolf. Leopard. The leopard cat is a small white cat native Africa. Foxes. Most fox species are known to be friendly. Panther. Black panther is the melanistic color variant of the leopard jaguar. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are four marsupials from the family. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Monkey. Monkeys are generally considered to be intelligent. Sheep. Sheep or domesticated sheep are domesticated. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white football. Camel. Camel is a desert animal. White tiger. The white tiger or bleach tiger is a lusty pigmentation. Rabbit. Rabbits are small mammals in the family Leopardidae. Cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Jackal. Jackals are medium-sized canids native Africa. Barasinga. The Barasinga, also known as the swamp deer. Badger. Badgers are short-legged omnivores in the family Mustelidae. Cobra. King cobras are the longest of all venomous snakes. Donkey. The domestic donkey is a hoofed mammal in the family Equidae. Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee, also known as simply the chimp. Rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino.